Hola foodies! Welcome to Shweta's Lifestyle. Today's recipe is a lovely sweet dish, badusha. By following few tips and measurements, we can make perfect badushas. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. All-purpose flour, sugar, vanaspati, cardamom, lemon juice, baking soda, and baking powder. Our first step is to make the dough. Here I took about 2 cups of maida, approximately 200 grams. To this I am gonna add a pinch of baking soda, baking powder, very little amount of salt, and mix it well. Further, add 2 tablespoons of slightly heated vanaspati. Instead of this, you can also use butter or ghee, but using dalda gives a perfect sweet shop style taste. As it is hot, I am mixing with a spoon. Now use your hand and combine it well. Now add water gradually and knead the dough. Make sure that you do it carefully by adding enough water. And knead the dough as shown in the video. Now our dough is ready. Cover it with a moist cloth and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. By the time, let's prepare sugar syrup. Here I am adding about 2.5 cups of sugar, which would be around 250 grams. To this I am gonna add 2 cups of water and wait until the sugar dissolves. Now you can see the syrup is boiling. Let it boil until getting one string consistency, which should be slightly sticky. Then add some lemon juice. Actually, it helps to prevent the caramel from crystallizing. And adding cardamom powder gives the nice flavors to the sweet. Now the sugar syrup is ready. Let's see how to prepare badushas. Let's look at the dough. It's smooth and nice. Slightly knead the dough. Take a small portion and make a small sized balls. Now flatten it as shown in the video. Here I am making a small dent in the center with the help of my thumb. Do the same for rest. Now take a kadai, add enough oil for frying badushas. When the oil is slightly hot, drop all the badushas into the oil. Make sure to do it on a low flame. After a few seconds, you can see the badushas are floating. Then slightly increase the flame to the medium and fry it until it gets a nice golden color. Now you can see that the badushas has puffed up slightly and got a nice color. Now flip them and let the other side also fry. All this process may take 15 to 20 minutes. But one thing to remember, it is very important to fry badushas on a lower medium flame. Now we can see that the badushas are turned into very nice golden color. Take them and gently drop into the sugar syrup when it is hot. Make sure to coat the badushas both the sides with sugar syrup and let it soak for about 5 minutes. That's all. The delicious and tasty badushas are ready. Thanks for watching. Try it and let me know the feedback in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to Shweta's Lifestyle for more interesting recipes.